It was a fresh and clear autumn day. I was driving my off-road vehicle through the fields in search of abandoned cars. A strange silhouette of a large truck appeared in my path. It was red and had a strange structure on its roof. I came closer to get a better look, and to my surprise, I realized it was an abandoned McDonald's burger delivery truck. And the truck had funny headlights shaped like burgers. So cool! Friends, write in the comments if you love eating burgers as much as I do. There was a lot of fast food restaurant branding on the truck, and the vehicle was red and yellow. Those are McDonald's colors, right? Alright, let's see what's inside. Yeah, the truck looks nicer on the outside, but inside everything is very dusty and dirty. I wonder how long this abandoned truck has been sitting here. Whoa, there's something very interesting inside the cabin. But how do you get in if the doors and windows won't open? Oh, never mind, it's fine. I just had to pull harder. Wow, this is a McDonald's mobile kitchen. So it's not just a delivery truck, it's a restaurant on wheels. What a lucky find. But everything here is so dirty and abandoned. Guys, do you think it's even safe to cook anything here? Just look at the state of these buns. The French fries have already turned green as well. Friends, hit like right now if this made you crave some fries. Om nom nom. Oh, and here's a ready-made burger, but it's completely covered in mold too. I'm tasting abandoned and forgotten food just for you guys. Support the channel with a like. And I'll wash this meal down with some fermented cola. Are there no more burgers or cola? All right. Lunch is over, time to get to work. I can immediately see that key parts are not in their proper places. Who keeps scattering them every time? I don't get it. All right. Here's the carburetor, putting it back in place right away. And I secure it with the nuts that were nearby. Now I'll grab a tool to secure it properly. Professional approach. Yes, I'll tighten everything up with this wrench. Now I'm taking a ratchet to work on the spark plugs. Oh, the wheel is removed as well. All right then. The spark plugs aren't new, of course. They need to be burned clean from carbon and soot. There we go. Now I screw them in and repeat the procedure. Give this video a like for the meticulous work of restoring abandoned cars in the forest, especially ones as unique as a McDonald's truck. Such an unusual find. I never imagined I'd randomly come across a vehicle like this. Now I'll install the cover with the valves that make the starter and spark plugs work. It's an essential part, can't do without it. I'm connecting everything, including all the fuel hoses. The dashboard components are without power, so where's the battery itself? Aha, we found its spot, and I'll install my own spare battery. I'm ready for any situation. Securing the terminals. We've got contact. That's right. We need to feed this baby some fuel. Whew, I could eat something myself too, but we need to finish restoring this truck. You're curious, right? This truck probably needs more fuel. It is quite large after all. All right, let's try starting it again. Still no luck. I think the issue is the battery, so I'll try another one. Now that's a whole different story. Excellent. Friends, hit like for this successful success. Meanwhile, I'll lift the truck with a jack. Let's mount the wheel onto the axle and secure it with an impact wrench. This is needed to test the abandoned McDonald's truck that turned out to be a restaurant on wheels. Friends, write in the comments, which do you like more, McDonald's or Burger King? Now let's inflate the tires with a compressor. Great, let's wrap things up. All the tools go into the trunk of my off-road vehicle. I'll move aside so I'm not blocking the way. Engine cover back in place. Time to go for a drive. And we're on the move. I probably should have cleaned the windshield. Haha, time to tear it up off-road. That's the unusual and fun McDonald's truck we restored together today. If you like the vehicle and the repair process, hit like on this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. See you soon!